You don't need to switch tabs or pay for 5 different subscriptions anymore. Stop spending $20 on ChatGPT, hundreds on image and video tools, and still not getting the quality you want. Before, every time you needed better results, it meant another model, another subscription, but not anymore. This AI gives you everything in one place, all the tools for images, videos, LLM models, and a lot of other free AI tools. Yes, you heard that right. It even gives you free credits to start testing all tools, plus daily check-in bonuses. So in this video, I'm going to show you all the AI tools and compare them with each other. So make sure you pay very close attention. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is called Emmate.ai, and I'll walk you through every major tool on the platform, LLMs, image models, video models, and we'll test them side by side so you can see which one performs best for different tasks. So the first thing you need to do is click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. And don't worry, you'll get sign up bonus credits, daily check-in credits, and even more ways to earn extra credits like inviting friends. So this is the menu where you can access all the AI tools in one place, for chat, images, videos, and a lot of other free AI tools. This is the AI chat section, and here you get all the advanced models like GPT 5.1, Grok 4, Gemini 3 Pro, and many more. You also get free and unlimited access to all the basic LLM models. From here, you can choose 2 or 3 LLM models, ask them the same question, and compare the results side by side. So I'm going to compare 3 models. First, I'm choosing GPT 5.1, second I'm selecting Gemini 3 Pro, and third I'm selecting DeepSeek R1. In the prompt section, I wrote, write a 30-second product script for a coffee mug that keeps drinks hot, aimed at Amazon shoppers. Then I clicked run, and all the models gave me a good result. GPT 5.1 gave me a straight script, clean and to the point, and if I want, it can also give me a full strategy. Gemini 3 Pro gave me a script with visual ideas for each scene, which I can generate using video models, so I can make a complete product video with scenes and voiceovers. And DeepSeek surprised me, it gave me almost the same result as Gemini 3 Pro but also added key elements for better reach on Amazon. Overall, I loved all the results, but I think the best ones came from Gemini 3 Pro and DeepSeek. Using multiple models helps you get the perfect output and choose what works best. This is why having multiple models in one place saves so much time. You switch outputs, not subscriptions. Now let's generate images. Click on AI image, and it will bring you to this beginner-friendly interface. You can create both image-to-image and text-to-image results. First, select the image model. As you can see, Nano Banana Pro is available here, along with Nano Banana, GPT-4 Image, and all Flux models, including the newly released Flux to Pro and Flux to Flex. You'll also find Midjourney and others. For this tutorial, I'm using Nano Banana Pro, which is currently trending online. Next, paste your prompt, and you can use the Enhance feature to improve your prompt for even better results. Then, select the aspect ratio, image format, and image resolution. With Nano Banana, you can generate images up to 4K and Emmate.ai won't deduct any extra credits. This is a unique feature you get here. Finally, click Generate, and here is the result. Look at this amazing result. Ben faces Vilgax in a dramatic futuristic battlefield, perfect for kids' comic-style videos. This high-quality image is ready to turn into a comic video, and it's exactly the type of content that's trending and in high demand on YouTube. Now let's try some cinematic images. I paste my prompt, keep the rest of the steps the same, just change the resolution to 4K and click Generate. Here's the amazing result. To be honest, I'm blown away by the results Nano Banana gave. It perfectly created a cinematic scene like the Avengers movies, keeping the same faces. It's absolutely amazing. But honestly, it's also a little scary because the new Nano Banana Pro model is totally uncensored and can generate literally anything. Imagine recreating these movie scenes and making your own Avengers fan-made series. The possibilities are endless. Now, using the same prompt with the Flux to Pro model, I follow the same steps and click Generate. And here is the result. To be honest, the quality is good, but the results aren't the same as Nano Banana Pro. The faces don't match, and even the characters' hands aren't perfect. This is why Nano Banana Pro is the #1 model for AI images. It can generate celebrity images and high-quality results that other AI models simply cannot match. Now let's check the text generation ability of both new models. I paste this prompt into Nano Banana Pro and click Generate. Then, I use the same prompt in Flux to Pro, and here is the output. Flux to Pro gave me good results, the text is very clear, and the image quality is excellent. But Nano Banana Pro gave me more accurate results, exactly as I mentioned in the prompt. Overall, both models are great at text generation, but Nano Banana Pro has better prompt understanding. So, you can generate unlimited images using different AI image models and compare them, but I recommend Nano Banana Pro as the best model for all types of AI images, including celebrity images. You can also use the image-to-image feature to edit your images, like changing the style, adding, or removing anything. Now, let's generate videos. Click on AI video, and a similar page will open. You can generate image-to-video or text-to-video content. First, select a video model. On Emmate.ai, you'll find all video models, Veo 3 and 3.1, all Scenes models, all Kling models, all Minimax models, all Van models, and even Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro, which you can use without any limitations. I'm choosing Veo 3.1, then I paste my prompt, select the aspect ratio, video quality, and video duration, and click Generate. The generation process takes about 1 to 2 minutes, and here is the amazing result.
Don't worry, Gwen. Humongousaur will take care of Vilgax.
See, the result is amazing. It gave us the same Ben 10 face in the same style we watched in our teenage years. I know the watch doesn't look exactly like the Omnitrix, but overall, Veo 3.1 is delivering great results. And trust me, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much you can do with AI. Now, let's generate a video using Sora 2 Pro. I select the Sora 2 model, paste my prompt, and click Generate. Here is the output.
Just a little more. There we go.
Sora 2 Pro gave amazing results. We all know it's famous for high quality, lifelike video generation. Every time you generate a video with Sora 2, it feels like a real Hollywood scene, not something AI generated. Now, let's generate an image to video. First, select a video model. I love Veo 3.1, so I'm choosing it. Then, upload the image I generated using Nano Banana Pro. Paste the prompt. Next, select the aspect ratio, video resolution, and duration. I set it to 8 seconds and click Generate. To be honest, no other platform allows you to generate celebrity face videos, neither in text-to-video nor image-to-video. But look at this. This image includes 2 celebrity faces, and Emmate.ai converted it perfectly into a video. I truly believe you can make even better videos. There are also many other image and video models that I didn't cover in this video, so I highly recommend checking it out yourself. The link is in the description. If you want a single dashboard that gives you multiple LLMs, image engines and top video models, like Sora 2 and Veo 3.1, Emmate is a tool I'd recommend testing. Try the free credits, run the same prompt I used, and tell me which model surprised you the most. When it comes to pricing, Emmate.ai offers a free plan, where you can generate images and videos with some limitations. But if you want to use all models without any restrictions, I recommend the Pro plan. It's just $20, and you'll get all models in one place, no more switching tabs or multiple subscriptions. And that's the same price as a ChatGPT subscription, but here you get everything included. Plus, if you take the annual plan, you get a 30% discount. I'll provide the link in the description, so go check it out. And don't forget to join our Discord server. You'll get access to all the prompts I use, all the videos generated in this series, plus a complete social media growth plan and much more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.